Welcome to Beech Lane's instructional video on how to use our patented wireless RV leveling system. After you install the device and calibrate it as level, you're ready to start using the app. First, tap the gear icon to navigate to Settings to make sure the vehicle dimensions are correct. If not, the app will display incorrect leveling measurements. Within Settings, you can also change your RV type, update installation location, rename your device, and recalibrate it as level if needed. Please note that recalibrating it as level or changing the installation location can give you inaccurate readings if done incorrectly. Lastly, under App Settings, you can choose whether the measurements are in inches or centimeters, temperature is in Fahrenheit or Celsius, and if the driver's side is on the left or the right. Tap the back arrow to return to the main leveling screens. There are 4 options at the bottom: Roll, Pitch, Both, and Top View. Roll displays the side-to-side measurements of your RV, and Pitch displays front-to-back measurements. The Both screen displays pitch and roll together for users who prefer to see them on the same screen. Each screen has a gauge, measurement number, and text guides at the bottom. For example, on the roll screen, the arrow on the left side of the gauge shows that the driver's side is low. To make things clearer, the text at the bottom displays driver side low. As you make corrections to raise the driver's side, the number will adjust accordingly. The gauge is designed with 3 color zones: red, yellow, and green. It displays red if you're over 3 inches from level, yellow if 1 to 3 inches from level, and green if within 1 inch of level. Switch to the pitch screen and you'll see it has the same premise, just measuring front to back. The text guides display front high or front low, along with the same color-coded gauge and measurement. These exact displays also show together under the Both screen. Lastly, the top view screen shows the corner measurements of your RV. This screen is most useful for RVs that level at individual wheels or jacks. The top view screen uses the same color-coded guides and notes which 3 corners are low and by how much. When you pull into your campsite and open the app and try to find the most level position before making adjustments. In this example, the driver's side is low by 1.75 inches. Place your leveling ramps under the driver's side trailer tires and drive up on them until the number gets as close to 0 as possible. Chalk them into place and move on to the RV's pitch. Use the tongue jack to make adjustments to raise or lower the front as needed and to get the number as close to 0 as possible. You're now finished leveling your RV. If you're leveling a camper van, truck camper, etc., open the top view screen to see how far each corner is from level. Then place the exact height of blocks under each tire and drive up on them to bring everything to level. Now that you've leveled your RV in a matter of minutes, you can spend your time enjoying the camping trip.